You know, killers in Dead by Daylight can sometimes just be way too predictable. It's not that they're necessarily bad or new to the game, it's just there are times that you can actually predict what they're gonna do quite easily. Now this goes for both sides, I know. Maybe it's just me winning a bunch of 50-50s, I'll let you guys decide on that. But here are some insane chases that I've got from greeting pallets and basically just making sure that I walk the killer in a park because they are too predictable. Anyways, that's all there is to it. All of these games are from my Twitch streams, so check it out, link in the description. We are almost at 100 followers. But yeah, here are the chases. Enjoy. Dramaturgy. Item. Give me item. Bro, exposed. Oh shit, exposed ako. Hindi ko alam nasan yung killer. Oh, no, okay na, exposed ako. No.
Dramaturgy value.
Yeah. FOV. FOV tech. Oh.
Wait, may bond ka? Ay, layo ka pala.
Wala. Ano lang, quick gambit.
Nag-yellow yung generator repair ko kanina.
Nabal
Well,
na ako sa
indicator
main.
pa rin naman lalabay.
Eh, pero ang hirap pag wala siyang redstone.
Wala din. Gano'ng katagal yung addon na yan?
10 seconds. Nabal na pa rin ako sa main building. Come on, I'm gonna walk you in a park. You're my bitch for the
Like a
next
dog.
5 gens.
Walking like... Wait, what? You know what? You do that.
Bro, wala pa akong dinodrop ni isang pallet. I'm just running around the fucking main building.
Anong baba ko ba?
FOB tech. She is lost. Wala pa rin akong dinodrop na pallet.
Bro, my keyboard is shit. Ako kayo. Bro,
Wala pa rin ako dinodrop na pallet. I'm just using... I will never drop a pallet. I will never drop a pallet. Mag-reload siya, bro. 7 hatchets na.
subukan niya akong batuhin. Better
My
not,
turn.
bro.
Me again. Oh my god, left click niya na lang ako. Hindi niya na ako binato ng
At
hatchet.
ma-aim niya.
Hindi niya ako na-hit ng hatchet buong
For
game.
real. Ikaw gusto niya. Nag-aayos ako din niya ako pinapansin mo. guys. Para kayong Tom and Jerry dyan. Rose playing Minecraft. Pag itong Jen, napap ko. Try mo nga. Yeah, bro, how do you suck so much? Bro, she respects palettes. Wait, this is stupid chicken fetus. Ba't ikaw hindi natatamaan nun? Pero pag ako natatamaan, kahit 10 milyong taon pa yung layo. What is it? Bullshit. Biggest bullshit of my life. Bro. Nandito na siya papunta sa shop. Punta na sa shop. Get in the hole. Sa kanila gumagana yun, naririndi ako. Pero pag ako gumagawa, nagsiswing. Doon sa may bintana. Ang inang yun. What? Wait, naubusan ng ano? Lagi kasing Claudette. Killers are racist. Oh, value. Baka nagbilis ang dyan ko. Weird naman niya. Dahil
Oh, naglalag
naiwan
siya.
pero na ewan.
Hello? Ako ba yung naglalago siya?
So siguro.
What? Yeah, he's lagging. There's a McDonald's Wi-Fi.
Ang McDonald's Wi-Fi yan.
No, wala na. Speed boost. Tangina, nag-walk into a straight line pag naka-dramaturg.
3 seconds lang naman.
2 seconds. Okay, he wants me. Hi.
Nasa taas.
Hello. Nagsayang ako ng panic. Oh!
I fucking knew it! I'm gonna crawl to the pallet. Buy me enough time. Actually, never mind. You might just die. Kasi nung nasa... Wala si Mason. For sure. What the fuck? Where are you going? Oh my god.
Wala.
All good. Bye-bye.
Kasi nga, gago, 2 gen run ka ara. 2 gen run. Dalawa kami ni Feng nandito. Biggest fuck you. Magugulat sa dalawang magpa-pop. Ang ina.
Nagdagan ka pa ng blind. Binulag ko siya ng sobrang tagal. Now she wants me. Oh my god. Bigyan ko siya astigmatism nun.
Iwan ko na.
Sorry for giving you astigmatism. Oo.
Hindi ko talaga gets ba't biglang nag-volt yung... Biglang nag-volt?
Ooh.
The fuck, girl?
Beatrice. Ooh.
She's in the bed and expects interesting.
Ni-stylean ko lang siya. Wala na. Bye.
Most of the times, there's always a human there to help.
Oo. Hanap niya ako ulit. What the fuck?
Tatanay niya. Fuck, Bill. Mag-ayos ka. The fuck you doing?
Yes.
Uy! Hindi ako hinil! Sisiguraduhin ko na mamatay ka sa endgame, you little shit. Kill mo ako!
Ow. How many hatches do you have, dog?
7. Baka natagdagan mga 11 eh.
Ooh, you cannot hit over that. You cannot hit over
Oh my
that.
god, tong Bill noob! Never mind,
Hook
labak
tech.
na.
Naa.
Wait, what the fuck?
Bye. Come here at the main building. Sara nyo at main. Nag-reload. Yon. Uy, that is barbecue in chili. I'm not a big fan of that. Yung dugo. Which locker am I in? Oh god, no.
Dodge, kaya yan.
Nah. Should have broken that pallet little bro.
Yun na ito yung binaba ko kanina.
Kaya nga.
Pare,
I'm gonna go to the hole. Fuck you. What you gonna do? Fuck you, bro. Hole power.
pre-drop?
Nah, hindi yan ako nasan ako. I think.
On that fellas. On that fellas. On that fellas.